Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Rahma Destriani, the student of Sriwijaya University, for participating in the first international conference. I am, as the presenter, will represent my team to present our paper entitled Designing a Web-Based Online Tutoring Application in Palembang City using the SUS or System Usability Scale method. The team consists of researchers M. Rudi Sanjaya, Aryansa Saputra, Bayu Wijaya Putra, Novita Sari, Rahma Destriani, and Muhammad Raihan Uda Rahmani. First of all is the introduction. School is the word of education or one of the means of formal education that must be able to provide the best facilities or services, especially for students, including parents. One of the right method is by utilizing an information technology to access especially academic values in the form of a website. In Palembang City, there are a lot of learning process or tutoring. It is difficult to access and get tutoring information. In the city of Palembang, a guidance to create or design a web is not test with a curtain method. So, doing research to make a design using the SUS or System Usability Scale method, with this method, it can be seen whether the design is appropriate with the user or to determine the level of user satisfaction. The next is the research purpose. The purpose to be achieved in this research is to design a simple website to help the learning process or tutoring with the internet connection to achieve a good learning. Okay, the next is research methodology. This research method uses SUS or System Usability Scale. Data collection uses a questionnaire consisting of 100 respondents and has 10 questions. In the table, it is explained the criteria of SUS until it reach above 80.3, it means very good, but the lowest value under 51 results in an awful value. The next is data analysis. Data were collected through online Zoom with 100 respondents from 10 questions regarding design using the SUS method. The next is software development method. Software development method using in this research is the prototype model. Here is the prototype model. The next is use case. That is, we have 3 use cases. First, we have use case admin. In that use case, data will be processed and will be managed by admin. Second, we have use case user. And that use case, student only can see the data and also print the report. And the last, we have use case owner. In that use case, owner manage all data. There is control data, incoming data, and outgoing data. And then the next is application design. Here is the design of the website. We have homepage, and then login user form, and then class page. The next is design of login admin form, and then admin homepage, and then admin class menu page. And then next we have admin student menu page for list student. The last admin student menu page for list registrant. Okay, the next is the result. The research method use SUS or System Usability Scale. Data collection used a questionnaire consisting of 100 respondents and had 10 questions with 5 answers, choice from 0 to 4. To get the average value of SUS, it is calculated the SUS value by analyzing the result of the respondent. With an odd value, then the value is subtracted by 1. For the result of the respondent having an even value, The value of 5 is deducted by the result of the respondent. From the analysis of the result of the SUS questionnaire show that the average value of the SUS value conversion result is 80,065. The result of the SUS questionnaire can be seen in this chart. It can be taken that P2 and P8 got the highest result. The questions that received the highest response were, I found the website simple, and I found the website very intuitive. Okay, the next is the conclusion. First, this design is made according to user needs, especially in the city of Palembang, which is done using the SUS method. The average value of SUS is 80.65 or categorized as very good. The question that I received the highest response were I found the website simple and I found the website very intuitive. The second conclusion is the study uses the SUS method with 100 respondents and 10 questions. The result of the questionnaire research using the SUS method indicate that the average value of the SUS value conversion is 80.65. It is the end of presentation. In brief, this website can help the learning process or tutoring in Palembang City to achieve a good learning. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.